Coming up in Primetime Sports Monday, Leicester City's Reggae Boy defender celebrates winning the English Premier League title. A surgical Dino Williams hands Montego Bay United National Premier League title despite groin injury. And American sprinters talk out their chances ahead of Saturday's Jamaica International Invitational. Good evening, I'm Ricardo Chambers. The details after this break.